Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. The title is Student Data Mining Solutions Knowledge Management System related to Higher Education Institutions. Now we discuss about abstract. So we have implemented novel process using decision making algorithm C4.5. Higher Education Institutions means that HEIS are repeatedly inquiring whether students will be successful or not during their study. Before or during their course of academic institution, try to evaluations a ratio of successful student, but is it conceivable to calculate the success rate of students enrolled in their course? Are there any specific student characteristics which can be connected with a student success rate? Is there any relevant student data available in some HEIS and on the basics of which they could be predict the student success rate? The answers to the above inquiry the questions can generally to obtain them using data mining tools. Data mining algorithm work best with a large data set, while student data available to higher education institutions related to courses are limited and falls into the category of small data sets. Thus, the study motivations of on data mining for few students data sets and goals to answer the above research queries. So, our process we have find the best predict the false person and then fail persons. Now we discuss about flow diagram. First we are choosing that start button and then choosing the data set. So data set we are choosing the CSV file format, CSV file format. That CSV format it will be convert to the text file format. So that process all do the data pre-processing. The data pre-processing means data pre-process is remove the unwanted data. Unwanted data is the special character and then null point. So it will be all remove that data set. Sometimes the data sets contain the this not fill and then all attributes. So some attributes have only empty values or null values. So that lines are removed from the data sets and then we have convert to the trained data set. So that is the perfect data set. So perfect data means remove the this is not contain the special character, null pointer, and then all attributes are having the values. So that is the trained data set. That trained data set will go to the next into the stored in databases, and then we have find the weight values. The weight values is very equal to the information gain process. The weight values is find that then each attributes having how many values are repeated overlap values, find that then weight values. So it will be go to the next process of and then information gain. The information gain is contained the two methods, entropy and then information gain. Entropy means is an that is one of the method of formula, and the information gain is also one of the method of formula. So this process find out this model and then we have get that features attribute. The features attribute is based on that information gain process. So which attributes have more than values that attributes value we are choosing that then C4.5 and then we are using that C4.5 algorithm implementations. Find activity. The find activity means student activity. Now we have the best pass on students and fail students. So how do we get into this details? Because we are using the data sets as contain them students not using that skill format. Contains the users means then students details are the habit file. The habits also we are using that this data set. The habits that also means like that the students are coming from the distance and then mediums, English mediums or Tamil medium, and then we are using that mobile says Android mobile or Atari mobile. So this like that activities. So this activities find it here and then we get the range values. The range values is very helpful in the classification process and then we are finally get them predict the futures pass students and then fail students. So finally this process stop. Now we discuss about running process. So we have this is our process student packages and then we just start with an home page and then just right click and choosing a run file So this is your home pages, student data mining, social knowledge management system related to higher education institutions. And then just right click and then first choose that browse button. So this is your select your dataset. Dataset, now choosing the dataset CSV file format. Click. So this is your file full path and then this is only the file name and then view. So this is your dataset and then pre-process stage. Get, this is your file name and then this is only the file name and then pre-process we have removed the unwanted data. The unwanted data means special categories, commas and then unvalue. So that null values are removed here and then it will be converted to the, that's also text format. Get, so now we are getting the text file format and then upload into database. So it will be stored in the database. So it will take the just few times. Now file successfully uploaded. So this is your dataset into view come from database. On the next, choosing attribute. So we will find that columns, count, then sort table, then find grade value. The grade value means we have analyzed that dataset is even first semester, second semester, third semester value, and then we have do that final result. We have which person says pass or fail. 1 means pass and then 0 means fail. So in this process we have find that and then find the entropy value. So choosing entropy value based on like that gender based male or female and then find the information gain. So information gain is find that all attributes is compared with that this column. And then this is equal to values and find a feature selection that ranges. So this is our best attribute collect from this data set. This is all attributes and then only get from the best attribute. Best attribute means this ranges above values are best attributes. And then similarity, find that similarity means it's an like that this best attribute. This one contain the attributes data sets in new data set. It will be go to the next remove classification process and then find the student ID. Student ID means student this record analyzing this values. So this process you only check the individuals values. So it will be compute to the all records and then classification process and the threshold values. So it will be help to be classified that this the pass persons this persons of feature will be pass, this person feature will be fail. Get pass details. So this person, this is original data sets. So this person's contains the details on pass person. So this is fail person and then finally graph. So fail persons count means 198 160. Thank you.